So, welcome back to, I guess, season 2, since I've been gone for so long. And today, it's the Brachiosaurus you figured out from the intro, but as you may already know, since it's been a long time since this guy's been out, he's huge, can't fit in the frame, so that's why I'm like this. But, yeah. He's very accurate to the movie, which I like a lot. He's humongous, and he's in scale with everything, which is amazing. And yeah, I like the details on him. Here's his face. His head's kind of at tilt. See a little focus. There you go. Yeah, there's his ear, his nose, his mouth. Oh no. His neck moves up and down like that, and then back up. And does his tail move? Yeah, well then. He does a stand like in the movie, which is good because that's very unscientific apparently. But yeah, I like seeing the rib cage here and getting nice and detail with the skin and the ruffles like that, and his super long neck. It's crazy. I have nowhere to put him, to be honest. He's been sitting in my attic since I've been moving into a different house. If you can tell, this is a new room. But yeah, my thoughts overall is pretty cool. It's weird that his head is turned like that, though. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with him. Yeah. If you haven't gotten him already, what are you doing? I mean, he's not on the shelves anymore, I don't think. At least I'm at the Target where I'm at now doesn't have him anymore. But yeah. But other than that, videos should be coming out like more often than before. But since I got time for these now, to film some more. But yeah. Hope I get to see y'all in the next video. Yeah.